Yeah. Wow. We are gonna wash the rice.
I know.
Let's wash.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, almost enough.
Can you stop the water? Thank you. Then you kuru. Turn. Wash. Yes. Good job. Water become white, so you need to pour out. Then wash again. Put the water again. Thank you.
Monya. Coba penggunaannya.
Minato, now we're gonna make miso soup, okay? Can you make? First of all, we need to prepare the hot water. It's a Japanese tofu you put in the miso soup, okay? Wow, it's so cold. Yeah, you can pour slowly. Not like that. Yeah, slowly. So many shapes, Minato. So now we are gonna put this. What's this one? Waka. Wakame. This is wakame. The seaweed thing. Slow.
Look at Miso Soup.
Wow. Wow.
Here is over. Super splash. Solid.
Can you take the miso? No. That's a sauce.
That.
Yeah.
I got baby.
That's called miso.
Miso soup.
Yeah, miso soup, miso. So now we're gonna put the miso, okay? Wait. You hold this. Put inside here. Oh no. Look at the spider. What happened to him?
What is eating? He's eating the food.
Wow, white rice is ready. Pikachu furikake, can you show mommy? Wow, so cool. It says pocket monster. Wow, it's a Japanese furikake.
Yeah.
Can you open?
I need to put because it's... Oh! Wow!
Now we are gonna make onigiri.
Wow!
What they got inside? Wow,
Pokemon card.
Pokemon card.
Ma.
I think it's a sticker.
Let's see. No.
Is it a card?
Yeah.
Okay. What they got inside?
New furikake.
Wow.
Colorful.
Colorful furikake to put in your onigiri.
Wow. That's so many.
Ah, so many.
Same.
Huh? Wow.
Again?
Wow. So many.
Pikachu.
Today you choose which one. In Japanese, the name is Nyasu.
Dragon!
Nyasu Kamexu.
Dragon!
Yes, lizardon in Japanese, but I don't know in English.
Who did it?
What's it's called Bibani. That one is called Handsome.
I know this Pikachu.
Yes, that's Pikachu.
Say the name.
Pikachu.
Who is this?
Mimikyu. And this one is Gengar.
But these Gengars are scary.
Is it?
I will steal.
And now we are gonna put this inside. What's that one?
What is this?
Yeah. Oh no, with the hand, please.
I'm trying to put in my mouth one.
Yeah, okay. Show everyone what's that one. What is that? It's a Japanese seaweed thing. So nice. Nice? So you put this inside the onigiri.
Smell like fruit.
Orange? Orange color?
I don't know what smell. Almost no more.
You can put all. Wow.
Faster. Take it.
A bit more here. Then now we are gonna put the seaweed. We need to. I think it's still good. Oh, it's okay.
Looks like
Can you take one?
Mommy, looks like we're making sushi.
Yeah, but today we are not making sushi. Onigiri only.
So big.
Wow.
So big.
Can you cut smaller? Okay, now can you put the seaweed to your onigiri like this? Yes, like this. Like this. Kurung. Like this. See?
Like that.
Yes, that's right. And put more. Wow, that looks so nice. Wow, so
yummy.
fun.
Yummy.
Wow. You make? Can you show mommy?
Technology.
Okay, can you show mommy which one you make? Which onigiri you make? Yes. Wow. Can you show mommy?
Wait.
Wow.
Technology.
Okay.
Yummy. Yummy.
Wow.
Yummy.
Yummy. Now you try your miso soup. Is it nice? You make your onigiri and miso soup for the first time. How was it?
So yummy.
So yummy. Was it fun to cook?